What's up, everybody? It's Bueller again. And today I'm just going to cover a couple trades we took at open. So today in my channel, we took Palantir puts at 0.39. Right at open, I like that it was pushing. Let me go to the 5-minute. I like that it was pushing right at open under my break below. It wasn't my stronger break below. I would have preferred seeing this level break before getting into a play, but every time I alert in my channel, I like to start off with one lotto gamble type play, cheap, very risky. You can lose everything, but you can also make a really big percentage. So far, I've been 100% on my gambles at open. Palantir being over 40% from 0.39 to 0.60. We also had some scale outs at 0.50 and 0.55. Either way, though, all we did was we liked the break of 1190. We liked the volume. That was it. So very risky because it's right at open. We don't like trading the first 10 minutes normally. And you'll see here on these other charts, I waited 10 minutes to trade Apple and Home Depot. So Apple was breaking lower. As it was breaking this level, I pointed out that puts were 4.00 flat. If you wanted to get into a same week 160, we're now in the money, and they're pushing almost 500 a contract now, so almost $100 profit on one contract. So pretty cool there. A little over 20%, almost 25%. But as you can see, another just open range entry, but we waited 10 minutes, so not as much of a lotto. It also kind of helped that, no, we didn't have volume here, but if you go over to SPY, we were breaking lower at the same time with rising volume. And the Qs had lowering volume, but having the SPY and QQQ confirmation together gave me that confidence. So that's why we took those Apple puts from the break of 160-180s, and then we ended up taking it at 160.75 since we didn't want to trade the first 10 minutes, so we waited, compared to Palantir where we didn't. Home Depot, a lot of people were looking for puts and everything. I ended up finding one play that was good for longs. We entered as it pushed this candle here, and I alerted. I liked it as long as it held this level as a stop loss. It ended up never closing under, holding, gapping down, bouncing over, and continuing higher. That play went from 2.70 to 3.30. Again, guys, I don't stream. I mean, I do stream every day. What I don't do every day is alert in my channel. So with the days I do, make sure to pay attention. But I'll go back through here so you can see everything. So I posted my watch list. We did our pre-market stream. The night before, I posted what tickers I want to look at. So every single ticker you hear is what I was looking at today. Watch list. This is what we're looking at right at open. 0.39. You can see 0.50. All my updates. I try to keep everyone as updated as possible because it kind of sucks when someone calls out something. And even though you're not being spoon-fed, just following it blindly, you are trying to follow it as best as you can on your own. It still can get kind of hectic when someone doesn't alert certain things or doesn't say, yo, we're losing here, we're winning here. I call out everything. Winning, losing, it doesn't matter. I just want to be clear with everyone so we can all be on the same page. But as you can see, updating contracts, all that good stuff. You can see Home Depot, BAC warming up. So even though I don't call out every single thing on my watch list, I do try to keep everyone kind of in the loop of where everything is. When I had said BAC was warming up, it was kind of holding this flag and pushing this candle here. You can see after that we pushed through the level, and now we've just kind of sat back through. So nothing really big or important, but it looks like they were going to fill that gap. It just showed that buyers were present, and now we'll see where they want to go sit. If they can hold kind of in this general vicinity where this was broken out of again, about 37.15, they can hold that. That's a pretty good range for them, but overall, nice. Nike, I also called out. We didn't do a contract call out, but I did just say, hey, watch below the previous day low. They are continuing lower. And since then, since this candle, they've just been continuing lower. And how could you have entered on that? From candle to candle, you had rising volume, showing an accumulation of sellers, showing volume was definitely heavy at the right spot. So good time to take a scalp. So good job if you guys took Nike. And the big one of the day, Tesla. Let me pull my watch list back over. If you look here, I said Tesla below 987.40, stop loss at 990. So you can see 987.40, stop loss at 990. Never once went up to it. Ended up cracking it the first 10 minutes. But you can see we didn't even get our first green candle till 20, 30 minutes later when we're $50 down. So pretty impressive. And I did update it. I said watch Tesla under 987.40s at 8:38 my time. So during this candle, so you got 5:10 during this candle, I was pointing out that if it holds under this, it can continue lower. Ended up continuing lower. And then I ended up pointing out that 10 minutes is almost up. Watch for the fake outs. has now dropped over 10 a share. That was at 8:44, so a few more minutes, and that was during this candle about to close. So when this candle was about to close lower, I was pointing out it's still going. It's still got momentum. So make sure to pay attention to my channel, guys, when you have time. I do update. I do show results. I do all of that. I saw a few of you guys do really good from the watch list as well as some of the callouts. But please leave a like on this video if you want more of these. Leave a comment down below if you took one of those plays or if you also were looking at one of those charts. But I'll see you guys later on. Thank you.